Hey, what's up LNC fam? Welcome back to part 2. It's your boy Dr. Vlad is in the house. So in this video we'll be working on 2015 Roly-Poly. We'll be installing front fender, both doors, pretty much get this car ready for paint. So thank you for watching, thank you for all your positive feedback and comments. You guys are rock star. So enough of this talk and let's get to work. Alright, so we're gonna start with installing the fender first and then the doors. Why I want to install the fender first, this way I have room to work so I could get to the screws without door being in the way. Alright, boss?
Yeah.
So,
You can't wait to.
nice restaurant with Mama Bear.
Yeah.
Papa Bear could take it too, huh? Take Mama with you.
I'm going with Mama restaurant first.
First, oh, he got the dips. He got the dips first. All right, we let you. No problem. We'll have plenty of time to enjoy this bad boy. And then the wheel is bent a little bit too, so we're gonna send the wheel out and hopefully they could recondition the 24-inch wheels. So yeah, that's the project for the day, to install everything and get it ready for paint. So right now I gotta transfer the whole wire and the lock, everything into this door, because the car won't move forward or back. It goes into the safe mode right away. So gotta transfer this and all this good stuff. Lots of wires just running everywhere. So should be fun. I already went halfway. So all this stuff came out of that door, so we gotta put it back into this door. Talk about the crazy puzzle. So many wires, so many bolts. Man, it's crazy. So we'll install it real quick and then we could finally start installing the door. So this way we could move the car into the paint department, because right now the car won't drive. It'll drive for like a inch and then it will go into safety mode because the doors were off. Yep, that's the job. Alright, we finished transferring everything. Took us a few hours, but we're finished. So we're gonna install the door right now and then we'll start working on the back end. Alright, so right now I gotta start with the back door, transfer everything to this door, and then we'll install this door, and then the car is ready for paint pretty much. So let's start removing a lot of stuff up here, lots of wires, lots of connections, so this should be fun as well. And this one's completely naked. Let's do this. Alright, so everything's removed from this door, completely naked, and here's all the goodies. Have fun putting it back together. Just joking, should be pretty quick for the most part. And here is the new door. So yeah, we'll transfer it, install it, and ready for paint. Alright, so the rear door is completely finished. Put all the guts inside. So we're good to go. Alright, so we installed the fender and 2 new doors. Everything lines up pretty good. Gaps are perfect. Same over here with the fender and the door in the middle, and the rear door in the quarter. So next it's going to a paint department, so we remove all the molding so nothing gets in the way. And we'll start prepping the car and spraying it.
BASF?
Oh really? It came out good?
Yeah?
Nice. I guess we're gonna have to use that, huh? So we're messing around trying to get a nice color. Well, that's pretty damn close.
Let's check with Patron.
And we'll see what's up.
Right, check from right here. Let me hold it and check you guys.
Let's rock and roll, plus we're gonna blend everything. Oh yeah.
Can go on?
I just don't see what else we can change.
That's good for me. Maybe tiny little details, but to me, even it's blendable with the quarter. It's
What a more white,
Quarter has a little bit more beige.
more white, and this more silver.
Can we make point?
We have to
Chiquito.
tell them because we don't have toners for this train.
Can we make Chiquito? It's
Or-
blendable for sure. My concern is they're good. But let me see it again.
To me, it's good.
That's the difficult part to match the paint up. So we're doing our best.
This has a little bit more yellowish to it, right?
More light, and this more silver.
From here is perfect. Maybe let's check outside. Or final, let's check outside.
Maybe good to maybe put clear on it.
From the bottom is perfect.
Yeah, I have some clear left, and let's put clear and check outside.
Tomorrow we'll
Anyway,
try.
That's okay. Anyway, one side paint.
Alright guys, so we're done with part 2. Make sure you stay tuned for part 3. We'll start prepping the car and painting, so you don't want to miss on that. And for now, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you guys like the video. If you don't, you know the drill. Sorry, sucks to be you. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.